we have a plan who decide to partner with the school in uplifting the academic standard of our children. So I have Mr. Pascal Anegre from the Educational Foundation. He is here to present a brand new laptop to the best student in SS to the SS. Yes. The overall best student in SS2 combined both art, science, commercial is John Owaluzi Shiamaka, 88.32%.
As well, special greetings to the management and staff of Dameland High School. Let me tell you something about Dameland High School. When you say that Lagos is center of excellence, there are some indices that contribute to this excellence. And I want to proudly tell you that Dameland High School is one of them. Bringing it from the grassroots. It is very obvious to see manifesting in both their community, affective and psychological domain. Everything is to take there. I'm also proud to say that I am a parent of 2 students here. If that is not happening, we have to go. So my name is Dr. Pascal Anegre. I'm an independent researcher in the University of Lagos, Nigeria. And we have a foundation which contributes to education in the grassroots, as community education and women empowerment foundation. And today we have come to identify with Dameland High School to support academic excellence. And you know, education has come largely conservative. I would like to bring us students that are tech-savvy, that are future-ready. And today we want to show solidarity with the school by presenting this to the overall best students. So if the compliance any challenge, contact me through Tony. Yeah. That's all these are my comments.
Congratulations. Keep on doing what you want to do. And don't hesitate.
Thank you very much and expect more from us.
Ladies and gentlemen, can you please rise to do this initiative in a round of applause, please? I'm going to tell you, education salute. Without education in this part of the world, we are going nowhere. So when people like this devoting their energy, their resources, everything into building the next generation, I think the example from the parents. Please kindly give them a round of applause. Not only that, this kind of initiative, I know a lot of you can do more. Please start the journey now, so that we can build the Nigeria that we all want. So jack back and stop. In Jesus' name. Thank you very much.